Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll show you how to get active developer badge in Discord. So first of all you will need this link. You'll need two links actually, both of which I will leave in the video description. So in the first one, which is a support Discord page, under am I eligible, you need to click on this here button. As you can see there's a specific link here, so where it says don't have an active app yet, click on this. From here you want to click on new application, then name your application however you want, press create. Now general information, it's up to you, it's not necessary, but you can customize it in any way you want. After that go to bot, then press on reset token, yes do it, then input your password. Now you want to copy this token over here where it says token, press copy. Under privileged gateway intents, press on three buttons over here, then press save changes. Now scroll a bit down and click on administrator under bot permissions, and now you're basically done here. After that it's very simple, go to this dashboard on bot ghost, input your token here, just paste it into here, then press on create bot, and now you're basically done. And now you can start editing and adjusting the bot to your liking. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.